What's the tea, everybody? Hi, welcome to Friday's video, where Fridays are always a drag. I'm Elaina, or Lada Deluxe. That's here on Fridays. I usually do makeup tutorials, drag looks, face paint, celebrity impersonation, you name it. And today we're doing obviously a drag look because it's Fridays, and this is Tomara Thomas look. This is called Finale Glam, and this is from RuPaul's Drag Race, from Drag Race UK. Season 5, they just wrapped up, and there you go. I was asked actually to do this tutorial. I got a comment. I'm like, yes, love Snatch. So without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on social media. Everything is in the description box. So let's get right into this. So before we go into the actual tutorial, I just want to say this is going to be a voiceover, as recently I've been doing a lot of voiceovers because it's more convenient and I don't have to think about what to say. I can say it later when it's all edited, you know what I mean? And I can edit it shorter so you don't have to watch me blah, 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 blah for the next 30 minutes instead of 10, you know what I mean? Anyway, and nobody got patience for this, SHIT. Tomara Thomas has most snatched. Congratulations for being in the top 3. I loved her looks, I always loved her glam, and I loved her self-tan because, like, I'm always self-tanned in orange. Anyway, so I chose this look. I scrolled her Instagram and this kind of spoke to me because, first of all, I like blonde. I have a lot of blonde wigs. She wears a lot of black wigs, but my only black wig is so old and ratchet, there's no saving it. I decided for this. This was for a finale party. So she was in a red dress, like with the straps. I don't have straps. I kind of pulled my dress down. And yeah, it was like simple earrings and blonde wig and this snatch makeup with a red lipstick. So I chose this look. So that's it. I kind of picked and chose what I was gonna do for the face because I watched her doing makeup at the workroom. I rewinded some episodes and I looked just to see how she does makeup, and she does her eyes first, which was like, yes, I love to do eyes first. So I did that too. I did my eyes first, and the rest is just studying her face shape. So there you go. Let's get right into this. So starting with the eyebrows are very straight, very thick. I kind of like that. Some reason I always want to do that on a regular basis, but it never works for me on the daily looks. So I'm using ABH brow wiz and in the color ebony. And we're gonna do individual hairs later, like darker tone. For now, it's just a shape. Using Beauty Bay neutral palette with all neutral browns from light to dark. Pretty much, this is a very soft, glam, old Hollywood look that she did. So it's very simple, neutral eye, snatched with not much cut crease. It's just like a shimmer on the eyelid, I think. Her eyes are very hooded, very different from mine. So I'm just doing the shimmer and the darker outer corner, and that's it. At the low lash line, I already did the white NYX eyeliner. And the waterline, I'm doing kind of a straight line. She did this very straight line under the eye. For the eyeliner, I'm using Flormar liquid eyeliner. It's very matte, it's very sharp, it draws great lines, and this is one of those affordable European brands that's like really cool. I'm using NARS foundation in color Stromboli. It's literally like me and Tomara Thomas picked it together. It's very yellow-orange. Perfect. So this is IBH concealer, and this is color 1. So this is perfect for the highlights, just a regular shape. She does a lot of highlight under eyes, like snatch the eyes up. Makes sense. Her makeup is very, very glam, very snatched. How many times can I say snatched, right? So blending this out, focusing on under eyes, really bright, to lift the outer corner up pretty much. I'm using Flormar contour stick. I really like this makeup brand. And this is very similar to ABH, just softer, easier to blend. I'm creating kind of hollow cheeks, like she has a lot of depth here, like right here by the mouth. So her face shape is very different from mine, very square jaw. So it's gonna be very hard to get resemblance except for the makeup.
The nose is very much straight lines. She does a little like tip of the nose, but her nose is real long. No shade, but real long. So I'm doing this weird nose strap that only looks good in the pictures and kind of gives you a shade on the nose. This is Kimchi Chic Tailor Contour in the color 03, I think 01, no 01 Tawny. So just enforcing all the lines and snatching the nose again, make sure it looks as long as possible. There's no way to make it as long as hers, but you know, we try. Taylor Bronzer, excuse me, that's Kimchi. I went to Miami. She's very bronze. She likes her fake tan, as I do. We're like literally soulmates with that. And a Taylor blush in the color Mercedes orange. She has kind of a like a reddish orangey blush there. Cookie by Benefit Cosmetics. What can be better than Cookie? Very shiny. I think she used a regular highlight, like a real highlight. Using Kimchi Chic Lash Bish lashes in a color in this bish. Her eyelashes are not the biggest; they're kind of a wispy like this, but very long. So I think it's very similar. Kimchi in Plastic Tiara lip liner. It's very dark brown. I see the trend. I've studied her pictures, and it seems like Tomara does a lot of brown lip liner, no matter what lipstick she's wearing. It's not the shade, it's a tea. I kind of like brown too. I think it's a British thing, isn't it, to use a lot of brown lip liner? Even with the red lipstick, I clearly see brown lip liner under. So we're gonna go with the hat. Very, very overlined lips. Her lips are huge and very plump. And we're going with American Doll by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to apply a lip gloss afterwards, but off camera there was some lip gloss. So I'll let this dry first, and then we're gonna create some extra white on a low lip. And the reason being, my low lip bends down, right? So to conceal where my low lip actually ends, I'm going to create highlight to pretend like I have lower, bigger low lip. It's just an illusion, pretty much. It's ABH concealer, so it creates more plump low lip. And then we're gonna use lip gloss afterwards, and that's it with the lips.
And she's here, Tomara Thomas. I mean, not exact likeness, but the makeup, I did the makeup look from that look with blonde wig and red dress. So it's called Finale Glam. That's what she posted on Instagram. I think we achieved the makeup resemblance. Of course, we can't achieve the chin completely because she has a very, very strong square jaw. It looks beautiful, but I have a very narrow, so I kind of highlighted this to kind of create a little bit of illusion. The eye makeup is like her signature eye makeup. The eyebrows make illusion a little bit. The extremely big, exaggerated lips. And of course, something I cannot duplicate is the nose. But we tried. And I did the same illusion that I did with Michelle Visage and Madonna with a little black line. I mean, black, like a brown line. It looks weird, but from a distance, like as an illusion, it gives you like a little longer nose. So see, if I go like this, that's gonna be Tomara Thomas. Not just so shady. Anyway, she was wearing small earrings, so I kind of like put small earrings. So there you go. I live for her makeup looks. Her makeup looks are very subtle, kind of very boring, you know, if you say so. But they're very effective and very snatched. It's like, I love the snatch, you know. We all like the snatch, right? So yeah, so this is Tomara Thomas look. And somebody actually commented, why didn't you do Tomara Thomas, since I already did Ginger and I did Michael. So there you go, full circle, Tomara Thomas. This is probably my favorite. I mean, the other ones, I always say it's my favorite when I do something, but I really like the snatch look. And I applied extra self tanner today, just to create the illusion of the orangeness. I mean, she's like my soul sister. She loves her fake tan, and I love my fake tan. I always have to be orange. Better than pasty. I like to tan anyway. So there you go. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think and who else would you like me to do. There's a current season of Drag Race Canada going on. I haven't picked a look yet, but I have to keep looking and watching and figure out what I want to do. Maybe I'll do Brooklyn Heights. I haven't done Brooklyn Heights, although she's kind of boring too, right? But anyway, yeah. So just subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and ring notification bell so you get notified of all new videos I upload. Follow me on social media. Everything is in the description box. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next fabulous video. Hannies. Bye!